Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be showing you delicious and easy high-protein vegetarian meals that will keep you feeling satisfied and energized. Whether you are vegetarian or just looking to incorporate more plant-based options into your diet, these meals are perfect for a well-balanced lifestyle. So, let's get started. Our first meal is a protein powerhouse, a quinoa and black bean salad. Quinoa is not only high in protein, but it's also a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. Combine it with black beans, which are rich in fiber and more protein, and you have a nutritious and filling dish that can be enjoyed as a main course or a side. Next up, we have a tofu stir-fry. Tofu is an excellent source of plant-based protein and can be incredibly versatile in the kitchen. In this recipe, we marinate firm tofu in a flavorful sauce, then stir-fry it with an assortment of colorful vegetables. This dish is not only high in protein but also packed with vitamins and minerals. Moving on, we have a lentil curry. Lentils are a fantastic source of plant-based protein and are packed with fiber. In this curry, we combine lentils with fragrant spices and vegetables for a hearty and flavorful meal that will keep you satisfied. Another great option is a chickpea salad. Chickpeas are packed with protein and are incredibly versatile. In this salad, we combine them with fresh veggies and a zesty dressing for a refreshing and protein-packed meal. Lastly, we have a protein-packed smoothie. We all love a good smoothie, and this one is no exception. By blending a combination of fruits, leafy greens, and a scoop of plant-based protein powder, you can easily create a nutritious and filling smoothie that will keep you going throughout the day. That concludes our video on high-protein vegetarian meals. We hope you found these recipes inspiring and will give them a try. Remember, a well-balanced diet can come from plants too. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and healthy tips. Happy cooking!